As we age, our eyes naturally face a decline, increasing the risk of conditions like glaucoma, cataracts, and macular degeneration. But what if the key to supporting and even improving your vision lay right in your kitchen? In today's video, we'll explore the top 10 nutrient-packed foods that can help protect your eyes, enhance clarity, and prevent common eye issues. From the power of leafy greens to the benefits of omega-rich fish, we'll dive into how each food can contribute to long-term eye health. Stay tuned to discover how your diet can become your ally in maintaining sharp and vibrant vision. First on our list is wild salmon. This delicious fish is not only a culinary delight but also a powerhouse of DHA, an essential omega-3 fatty acid that is crucial for eye health. DHA plays a significant role in strengthening the photoreceptors in the eyes, which enhances your ability to see with greater clarity and sharpness. Including oily fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel in your diet at least 3 times a week can be highly beneficial. These fish help reduce inflammation and improve tear production, which is vital for keeping your eyes moist and preventing discomfort associated with dry eyes. Incorporating these types of fish into your meals can contribute significantly to maintaining long-term vision health. And remember, fatty fish isn't just good for your eyes, it's great for your whole body, supporting heart and brain health, too. Next up, leafy greens. Swiss chard, kale, and spinach are not just versatile ingredients but also nutritional powerhouses for your eye health. These greens are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are essential for protecting your eyes. They help shield the delicate tissues of your eyes from harmful UV light and play a significant role in reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Regular consumption of these leafy vegetables can enhance the ability of your retinas to capture light and color more effectively. Incorporating Swiss chard, kale, and spinach into your daily meals not only adds a burst of nutrients to your diet but also supports long-term visual acuity and health. Bright and colorful, bell peppers aren't just a treat for the eyes, they're a boon for them too. Packed with a hefty dose of vitamin C, bell peppers help protect the delicate blood vessels in your eyes from damage. Just half a cup of red bell pepper provides over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs, making it easy to incorporate without needing a large portion. Vitamin C isn't just about immune support, it's a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress and supports the production of collagen in the eye, which is crucial for maintaining clear and healthy vision. To give your eyes the care they deserve, try adding a fresh bell pepper to your meals daily. Whether sliced, diced, or sautéed, bell peppers provide a tasty and natural boost of eye-loving nutrients that help keep your vision sharp and vibrant. Eggs are next. Egg yolks from pasture-raised chickens are not just delicious, they're also packed with vision-boosting nutrients. These yolks are a top source of lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that play a crucial role in protecting your eyes. These compounds help shield against the development of cataracts and work to maintain your vision's sharpness. Furthermore, pasture-raised eggs are rich in essential nutrients that support overall eye health. Incorporating just 2 eggs a day into your diet can help sustain clear, stable vision. So, whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, or poached, adding pasture-raised eggs to your daily meals can be a simple yet effective way to care for your eyes. And here's a tip. Lutein absorbs better when paired with a bit of fat, so cooking eggs with olive oil or butter can make these nutrients even more effective. Grass-fed beef liver. For those looking to naturally boost their intake of vitamin A, look no further than grass-fed beef liver, a true nutritional powerhouse. Vitamin A is essential for your eyes, helping them adapt to changes in light and preventing night blindness. But that's not all. Grass-fed beef liver is also loaded with zinc, a vital mineral that strengthens the blood vessels in your eyes. This combination helps protect your eyes from strain and irritation. By incorporating grass-fed beef liver into your diet, you're not just enjoying a delicious meal. You're also taking a proactive step towards maintaining robust eye health. So why not give your eyes the nutrients they need to stay sharp and focused? Walnuts aren't just a tasty snack, they're also a nutritional treasure trove for your eyes. Packed with vitamin E, these nuts serve as a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce the risk of blood clots related to eye health. Vitamin E is crucial not only for dissolving scar tissue following infections but also for maintaining blood consistency, ensuring it flows smoothly to nourish your eyes. Regular consumption of walnuts supports good circulation in the eyes, helping to keep your vision clear and healthy. So why not add a small handful of walnuts to your daily diet? It's a simple, delicious way to give your eyes the care they deserve. Turning our attention to the treasures of the sea, shellfish like oysters, mussels, and clams are not just delicious but are also incredibly beneficial for your eyes. These marine delicacies are high in zinc and vitamin B12, nutrients that are essential for protecting your eyes against the effects of aging. Moreover, they are rich in astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant that offers a robust defense against oxidative damage. Regular consumption of these shellfish can help maintain your vision's vibrancy and health as you age. So next time you're looking for a nutrient-packed meal, consider the mighty power of shellfish to help keep your vision sharp and clear. Let's shine a light on sunflower seeds, a snack that's as nutritious as it is delightful. These tiny seeds are packed with vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, which is crucial for protecting your eyes. Thiamine plays a key role in preventing nerve damage in the eyes, an important consideration especially for those managing diabetes. But that's not all. Sunflower seeds also help safeguard your eyes from oxidative stress, thanks to their nutrient-dense nature. For a tasty way to boost your eye health, sprinkle some sunflower seeds over your salads or blend them into your smoothies. It's a simple, delicious addition that can make a big difference in maintaining your vision's health. Avocados aren't just for guacamole, they're a powerhouse of healthy fats that play an essential role in your eye health. The fats found in avocados enhance your body's ability to absorb fat-soluble vitamins such as A, E, and D. These vitamins are vital warriors against oxidative stress and are crucial for the production of visual pigments that help maintain the health and function of your eyes. Adding avocados to your diet is more than just a treat for your taste buds. It's an investment in your vision. Whether sliced into a salad, blended into a smoothie, or spread on toast, avocados offer a delicious way to support your eye health every day. Finally, let's delve into the natural world of herbs that benefit eye health, including ginkgo biloba, turmeric, and milk thistle. Each of these herbs offers unique benefits that can significantly enhance your eye care routine. Ginkgo biloba is renowned for boosting circulation, essential for optimal eye function. Turmeric, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, helps reduce swelling and irritation around the eyes. Milk thistle supports liver health, which is crucial for maintaining good antioxidants levels in the body, protecting your eyes from oxidative stress. Integrating these herbs into your diet or as supplements can be a valuable addition to maintaining and enhancing your vision health. Lifestyle tips for lasting vision health. Along with a nutrient-rich diet, here are a few extra habits to keep your eyes at their best. Regular eye check-ups. Early detection of issues can prevent long-term vision loss. Protective eyewear. Wear sunglasses with UV protection to guard against harmful rays. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause dry eyes, so remember to drink water throughout the day. 20-20-20 rule for screen use. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It's simple but effective for reducing eye strain from screens. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which foods you'll add to your diet or share your favorite eye care tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and take care of those precious eyes. See you in the next video.